fan of Deadpool like me, or just absolutely love Mexican food, then you're in luck. Today, in honor of Deadpool 2, we're going to be making one of the favorite foods of the man himself, chimichangas. So stay tuned. In anticipation for the new Deadpool 2 movie, I've been doing two things. One, watching the first Deadpool movie, and two, making chimichangas. And what I realized is this recipe is just too good to keep to myself. So today, I'm going to show you guys how easy it is making chimichangas can be. Now at its core, chimichangas are essentially just a deep fried burrito covered in sauce and a little queso fresco. So they're not too complicated to make, but they do offer a wide range of versatility when it comes to sauces and fillings. And I have a recipe I think you're going to love. So here's what you'll need. chimichangas worthy of the merc with the mouth himself. Well, that's all I have time for this week, but to be kept up to date with future episodes, simply click on the bell icon down below. You'll be sent a notification each time a new show comes out, so you don't miss a thing. So if you enjoyed this week's episode, please feel free to give that like button some love and subscribe. And if you found the video useful, please feel free to share it, as it does help this channel grow immensely. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section down below. I would love to read them. Recipes, as always, are down in the description box. My name is Chef Matt with Kitchen Instruments, thanking you for stopping by, and I'll see you guys at the theater.
With 2 swords and maximum effort. Hear the music.